In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the ElevenLabs Unusual Activity Detected problem. This message usually appears when ElevenLabs abuse detection system believes your account or internet connection may be connected to heavy free tier usage or automated activity. In many cases, the issue is not personal, and it can sometimes happen because of the network you are using, stored browser data, or security tools like a VPN. The good news is that there are a few practical ways to resolve it. The first and most reliable fix is to upgrade to a paid plan. ElevenLabs applies its strictest restrictions to free tier usage, so moving to a paid subscription often removes the limitation entirely. If you use the platform regularly and want the simplest long-term solution, this is usually the best option. Once you upgrade, refresh the site and try again. Another common cause is using a VPN or proxy. ElevenLabs is very strict about blocking VPN and proxy traffic, because those services are often used in abusive or automated behavior. If you have a VPN turned on, go ahead and disable it completely. The same applies to any proxy service running in your browser or device settings. After turning it off, refresh the page and check whether the warning disappears. If needed, close the browser and reopen it before trying again. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted site data can sometimes create login issues or detection errors, especially if the service has recently updated something in the background. Open your browser's privacy settings and clear the cache and cookies related to ElevenLabs. After that, restart the browser and sign back in. This gives the site a cleaner session and can often fix strange access problems. If you are still seeing the message, your IP address may have been flagged, especially if you are on public Wi-Fi, a shared connection, or a mobile hotspot. In that case, try resetting your IP address. On a phone, you can turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it off again. On home internet, restart your Wi-Fi router and wait for the connection to come back. In some cases, this gives you a new IP address, which may no longer be flagged by the system. If you follow these fixes in order, you will usually be able to solve the issue quickly and get back into ElevenLabs without that warning. Thanks for watching.